I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the brick in Stumble Guys. The brick is a fantastic gadget that can give you a real edge in races. You'll typically find it in mystery boxes or through specific event rewards. Once you have it, it's all about timing and precision. This guide will help you understand its mechanics and how to integrate it into your gameplay for maximum impact. Once you've got the brick equipped, using it is straightforward. Simply tap the gadget button and you'll see a helpful trajectory line appear. This line shows exactly where your brick will land. Take a moment to adjust your aim by moving your character slightly. When you're happy with the target, release the button to launch the brick. It's all about lining up that perfect shot. The brick isn't just for direct hits, it's a versatile strategic tool. You can use it to knock opponents off the map, especially near edges or into hazardous zones. It's also great for interrupting their momentum, like a well-timed jump or dash. Consider throwing it into a group of players to cause maximum chaos and create an opening for yourself. Think smart, not just hard. To truly master the brick, try anticipating where your opponents will move next. This foresight will significantly improve your hit rate. Don't forget to combine your brick throws with your character's unique abilities for powerful combos. Practicing in custom lobbies is a fantastic way to refine your aim and timing without pressure. Remember, sometimes holding onto your brick for a crucial moment is more effective than throwing it immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.